Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P. So in today's video, you saw the thumbnail that I'll be doing something really different that I never did before. But let me just go ahead and just talk about what I'm doing right now. I'm just using my Benefit Precise Brow Pencil in 4.5, and I'm just going to go ahead and just fill in where the bald spot is. I'm not going to do a crazy shaping of my brows. I want it to look very natural. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up my brows, and I'm using I think this is the NARS concealer in Amende, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and I'm also gonna take that all the way down to my eyelid. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Hue Moisturizing Cream, and I'm going to put it all over my entire face. Next, I'm going to go into my hyaluronic acid, and I'm also going to put that under my eyes mostly because I do have dry skin, so I really got to focus the moisturizer under my eyes, and I'm going to put it all over my face. Next, I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I'm going to take that pink shade, and this look was inspired by, I'm going to put her name on the screen. I really can't pronounce her name, but I'm going to put it up on the screen, and she is on Instagram, so I'm going to put all of her information there so you can see where my inspo come from. So basically I'm going to put that pink in the other corner first, kind of like a cat eye shape. And normally I like to go from the other corner, but because this is a different kind of look that I never did before, I'm taking that in the inner corner, shaping it down like a cat eye, and bring it close, very, very close to my brow bone, and then blend it out. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in deep, and I'm going to carve out my brows, and I'm going to bring that concealer all the way up to under the shadows and bring it up and then kind of wing it out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take those two pink shades next to each other onto an angle brush, and I'm going to create a wing with this pink, but I'm not going to bring it all the way into where the other pink is. I'm just going to go ahead and just carve it out to make it look nice. Next, I'm going to go into the first shade from the palette, and this is very white. It's like a chalky white, and I'm going to go ahead to set that concealer, and then I'm going to go on top with a other shade after. First, I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush, and then I'm going to take the shade next to it. It's look white, but when you put it onto your lid, it kind of have a pinkish purple shade to it, and it's very shimmery, but it's like a subtle shimmer. If you have this palette, you know what I'm talking about, but I'm going to put it over where I had put that first shadow. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the top part because I want it to be very clean and cut. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up it, and then I'm also going to bring it a little bit down to the inner corner just to make it look much more sharper. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara. I did went ahead and do the other side off camera, and then later on I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. So I'm going to go ahead and put on Fluffy from my main collection. Make sure you guys check out the website down below. And I'm going to go ahead and color correct with my LA Girl Pro in orange. Now I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation, and then I'm going to put a little bit of the NYX Illuminator inside of it because I want a glow from within. So I'm going to go ahead and blend both two together and put it all over my entire face. Next, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D in, I think it's neutral, but I'm going to go ahead and put it right underneath the eyes, the bridge of the nose, and wherever I normally would have concealed. Then I'm going to go ahead with a damp beauty blender and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go into the Fenty in Butter, and I'm going to take it onto a brush and just tap it in because I do not want a crease. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit to set that concealer. Then I'm going to go into my MAC in NW45 and take it to set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to take both two shades right there, and I'm going to put it right underneath the eyes, but I'm not going to bring it all the way in. Then I'm going to go into that first color from the palette and put it right into the waterline. Now I'm going to be using my ABH, and I'm taking that brown shade. This is for the contour, and I never used the shade before, to be honest. I always use the blush section, but I'm going to take it today and just do a little bit of contour. Then I'm going to go into that same blush, and I'm taking the pink shade in the middle only because I want my cheeks to be pink today. Normally I'm not a blush person, but today I just want to look pink on my cheeks. So I'm going to take that and put it right onto the cheeks and a little bit onto the nose. Next, I'm going to be using a pencil, and I think this one is chestnut if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going to go ahead and put it onto my lips just to line it. Then I'm going to take my lips from ColourPop, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right into the center. Then I'm going to go into the Fenty lip gloss, and I'm going to put a little bit of gloss because I wanted to have a little shimmer. I didn't want my lips to be matte, so I'm going to put it right on top. Then I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star with Morphe spray and spray my entire face. And guys, this is a finished look. I love this. I never did such a crazy bold eyes before, but I really love the way how it turned out. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this look. And any suggestion I will do, just leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Make sure you already subscribe because I do upload Monday through Friday. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next one. Bye guys.